If you're looking to enhance your garden while honing your woodworking skills, there are countless projects that cater to every skill level. Here are the top 5 must-try garden woodworking projects that will not only beautify your outdoor space, but also provide a sense of accomplishment. 1. Raised garden beds. These simple gardening projects are perfect for beginners. Constructing raised garden beds allows you to grow vegetables and flowers with ease while providing better drainage and soil quality. Plus, they can be customized in size and style to fit any garden layout. 2. Garden benches. A well-built garden bench offers a perfect spot to relax and enjoy your handiwork. Whether you opt for a simple design or something more elaborate, this project is ideal for those with intermediate skills looking to create functional art in their gardens. Birdhouses. Attracting beautiful birds can add life and color to your outdoor space, making birdhouses an excellent project for all skill levels. They're fun to build, customizable in design, and provide a great way for kids or novices to get involved in woodworking. Trellises. Perfect for climbing plants like beans or clematis, trellises can vary from straightforward designs made from basic wood frames to intricate structures that serve as focal points in the landscape. This project is great for those who want a challenge while enhancing their gardening aesthetics. Garden planters. These versatile additions allow you to showcase flowers or herbs anywhere in your yard or patio area. Simple enough for beginners, yet customizable enough for advanced woodworkers, planters make an excellent choice regardless of experience level. Embrace these projects not just as tasks, but as opportunities to express creativity while nurturing your green thumb. Each piece you create will enhance both the beauty of your garden and your personal satisfaction as a woodworker.